out this kind of cool thing right here. I don't know what this is all about, but it's pretty cool. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, actually this is, I'll just kind of give you a little context. It's I think that it's always been closed, so it's always been locked up. I'll just give you a little context. So we're on, this is called Rua de Londres, which is in an area called Nape. Pretty rainy day. I did another video recently where I just kind of showed how rainy and windy it is. It's not so bad at the moment, but there's like these little string of Chinese nightclubs that people like that are, I don't see many Westerns ever go there. I almost never go there either, but I've walked into them briefly. A1, Bass Pub, Hennessy, which is called Club Rucas. But basically they're kind of like karaoke places that you can sing. But this is kind of interesting. Like they basically, like one person takes the mic and then they sing and everybody in the whole bar, but everybody's drinking. But that's kind of like something that, like, but let's just check this out. So yeah, there's, looks like it has these stairs that kind of go all the way up. Very Portuguese design. And let's just kind of walk back a little bit. And it looks like basically what would happen is you could go all the way up to the rooftop. So you would just keep snaking around and around and around and around. Pretty cool. I ran into it before, but I just haven't seen it in a while. Then it looks like once you're up there, you'd probably have like a little bit of canyon of apartments around you. Another apartment up there too. So it might kind of be like a rooftop, interesting little feel. Anyways, on that note, we're just gonna, this is our main focus for this particular video. And then we're just gonna go by. And then this street, I kind of like it because there's a nice, well, it's raining and it's a good spot to avoid the rain. Japanese ramen place, which is amazing. I've been eating there quite a bit regularly. Bike that's interesting. It's like a little plastic seat cover on it. Villas. Okay. And we're just gonna go straight up to the end of the street and then we're probably gonna end it. And I'll see if I can zoom in on the sign, Rua de Londres, to see if I can see it here. There it is down there. Right there. So that's so this is Rua de Londres, and then this one is, let me just see if we can see another street sign. Here, right there. There's another one there too. So that's the corner. So this one, this is Londres, and then this is a park right here. And then there's, we'll walk down that way a little bit too. But over there is, what's her name? Guayin. Guayin is the goddess of the city, basically. Got a nice little garden here. So we're gonna try to film that. Yeah, it's raining a little bit hard, so I can't get as close as I want to. And there's Guayin right there. There she is. Man, it's windy. Camera keeps getting more wet. We'll call it an end of the video right here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.